Hello. So we're going to look at our spelling words for this week. And so this week, we're going to see words that have a vowel pattern. So they're words that are going to have two vowels together. And they're not the typical vowels. You're used to seeing vowels together like AI making the like pear sort of sound. So these are going to be two vowels that go together and they don't have one sound. They have two separate vowel sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share my screen with you. And let's go on here and then you can see my paper. All right. So let's look at our words for this week before we get going. So we start out with idea. So we have the E and the A together, idea. It makes two separate vowel sounds. Lion, usual, radio, liar, poem, India, piano, January, quiet, poet, science, dairy. Dairy is, diary, and that's why we're seeing the I and the A. We're hearing the I and the A sound. Violin, period, February, cereal, video, meteor, rodeo, variety, gradual, geography, diagram, punctuate, right? So we're definitely hearing those two distinct vowel sounds. So we have a crossword puzzle. And what I like to do is sometimes people like to solve all the acrosses and all the downs. I like to just start on one place and then where it intersects, I do the next one where it intersects. So I'm gonna start with 6 across. And 6 across is a piece of rock flying through space, and that's a meteor. All right, and then I can do 1 down because I know there's an E in there. The study of natural things is science, right? This is going to be psi, and then this is going to be the ents. All right, now I can do 8 across. Tape that records TV programs, that would be video. And then I can do 7 down because I have an I there. Daily written record is a diary. So there's my I, D-I-A-R-Y. Now I can do 10 across because I have an R. Equipment used to read signals, radio. All right. I'm probably going to go with 2 down because I know I have an E there. Food made from grain is going to be cereal. There's my E. And then my al on the end. All right. Then I have 3 down. Second month of the year is February. Now I have 9 across, starts with an R, where cow hands shows skills. That's a rodeo, right? Which is a Spanish word. In English, it's rodeo. Rodeo. All right, I'm gonna do 5 down. I know it ends in an O. Large musical instrument is that ends in an O is a piano. And 4 down ends in a D, and it is a punctuation mark, period. All right. Now, the challenge assignment. You are asked to be a student teacher for your geography class today. Give instructions to the class about a writing assignment in which they describe the features of the region where they live. Use 4 challenge words. So I don't have any binder paper, and I did not grab, never mind, I did grab my journal. I was going to type it, but I'm going to go ahead and write it. I didn't realize that I grabbed my journal. So smart. Unfortunately, I didn't get my book club questions. So we're a student teacher, give instructions about a writing assignment in which they describe the features of the region where they live. So we're going to use geography, diagram, punctuate, variety. I bet we could use all 5. So we're going to talk about writing about a region where people live. Okay. So I'm going to write, good afternoon. I'll be your student geography teacher today. You will be writing about and making a diagram of the region where you live. Be sure to punctuate your writing use a variety of colors on your diagram. Okay, and I think that's all we need to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. It asked us to use 4 of the challenge words, and we did. I was going to try to squeeze gradual in there, but I don't know if I can. So hopefully that helps you to understand how to do the challenge assignment. I don't think there's enough room to write it on the paper. That's why I wrote it in my journal. All right, so I hope that this helped you to see that this week we have 2 vowels together, vowel, and they don't blend together. They make 2 distinct vowel sounds when they're together. So I hope this helped you to get a preview of your spelling list for this week. Thanks for joining me.